What if you could build a business that aligns with your values and makes a real difference? Welcome to the Fresh Vibe Tribe, a community that stands for purpose, real impact, and freedom.
Hi, I'm Ines. Traveling is absolutely passion. I always wanted to work remotely, but with purpose. With Hingana, I get to do something meaningful, create impact, and bring fresh vibes into the world no matter where I am.
I'm Dominic, and I want more from life. More depth, more connection, more impact. That's why we have created this community.
Hey, I'm Marina. I call myself a cycle breaker because I choose happiness over just being productive. For me, it's about bringing more light into the world and helping others to shine in their brightest energy.
We believe that business should be ethical, sustainable, and meaningful. That's why we created Fresh Vibe Tribe, a community for people who want more from life. More freedom, more purpose, more impact.
For me, it's about creating a life where I can work from anywhere while still making a difference. And I don't want to just make money, I want to bring something really good into this world.
And it's not just about the business. It's about growing together, break old patterns, and building a future where we support each other and shine in our own lights.
At Fresh Vibe Tribe, we believe in combining meaningful impact with personal freedom. We wanted a way to create something bigger than ourselves without sacrificing our values. That's why we partnered with Ringana, an Austrian company that stands for freshness, sustainability, and ethical business. They don't just talk about change, they shape a better future with every product they create.
Hingana has been a pioneer in fresh cosmetics and supplements since 1996. Their products are made of high quality and natural ingredients completely free of artificial conservatives and also harmful additives.
For me, true abundance means creating a regenerative cycle. One where we give back as much as we receive. Sustainability often feels like sacrifice, but with Ringana, it is different. It's about regeneration, innovation, and conscious choices. This partnership allows us to live in alignment with our values while building up something long-term. We have a strong partner on our side, so we can create a future that is both fulfilling and impactful. But I think they should speak for themselves, so let us show you.
Sustainability through conviction, underpinned by facts. That has been the most important parameter since 1996. We are Ringana. We are beyond. High-end plant-based raw materials. Vegan and microplastic free. 100% renewable energy. In-house production of compostable packaging material. Let's work together on a brighter tomorrow.
At Hingana, everything starts with freshness. Unlike conventional products, Hingana creates fresh cosmetics and supplements without artificial conservatives. That means that every ingredient is full with natural, potent, and the power of nature. It's about delivering real quality that actually makes a difference, both for our health and for the planet.
Another key value is sustainability. Ringana follows a zero-waste philosophy, from production to packaging. Glass bottles, compostable materials, and a closed-loop system. This ensures that every product is as environmental friendly as possible. And beyond that, Ringana is carbon neutral, proving that business success and ecological thinking goes hand in hand.
But what truly makes Ringana unique is its vision for the future. This is a company that has been pioneering fresh and ethical products for nearly 30 years, long before sustainability became a trend. Today, Ringana is on the top in Austria and across the EU, and we're just getting started. The next step, expanding globally. We have already proven that we can do it, and now we're gonna take it to the world.
This business is completely free and flexible, and you decide when and how you work. Whether you want to build something small on the side or go all in, it's all up to you. And the best part, you are never alone. Even as a traveler, I found a supportive community of like-minded people who are always there. Even as a remote business, we grow together.
And it's smart. You don't have to do everything on your own. With great mentoring, constant learning, and a team that has your back, you're always in the loop. It's business, but with friendships. Success is so much easier if you build each other up.
Most importantly, come as you are. This opportunity is for everyone. No matter what your background is, what skills you have, or where you are from. If you are motivated, you belong here. There are no costs, no risk, but fun. You simply sign up and start your journey. You want to learn more? Get in touch with the person who sent you this video for a relaxed, no pressure chat. Or join our monthly online info event and meet the tribe. Let's see if this could be the right fit for you.